So the third stanza is that, can you say nothing tonight? I mean to say that it is a behavioral salute notices that I mean to say that when we are going to sleep at night, we say good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. So all these type of salutations. So here in the third stanza, can you say tonight, in parting with the days that sleeping last, that you help a single brother of the many that you pass, is a single heart touching, rejoicing over what you did or said. Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Means the poet brother asked at the end of the day, means the poet asked at the end of the day, if you can honestly say you help a single fellow humans, you can, I mean to say that you can honestly say you help a single fellow or the person of human beings, why will go about busily. We surely notice many in need, many that they have suffering from problems and difficulties. So, but just do not have the patience to do one help and is unasked for. So we never help someone on our bones. So if some stranger's thrills for a small help you extended, he or she may have been hopeless, but did not you take out some time to give him or hope against? Means this also stanza gives us a message to the readers regarding the understanding of the problems of readers. That is most important message that the poet try to gives from these poems. So these lines, third line of the third stanza is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said is a kind belong to figure of speech. Synecdoche figure of speech is this. And then the fourth stanza is that, did you waste the day? Did you waste the day or lost it lost it? Was it well or surely spent? Did you leave a thrill of kindness or a scarce of discontent? As you close your eyes in a slumber, do you think that God will say, have you earned one more tomorrows by the work you did today? Means that in the last stanza, the poet asks, if you waste our times, you waste our days, full days, like so many days gone. Days are coming and going. It doesn't matter. But sir, many days gone, so not having done anything remarkable regarding the beneficial point of view of the readers, that was totally well spent or dead loss. Did you leave behind someone smiling or left someone feelings dejected? So because you ignore them, you ignore the peoples, you ignore the human beings, and we are not ready to give some message to the peoples. Those peoples has been suffering from any problems. So when you are about to go to sleep, so do you think that God may grant you one more day to lives? So here is also, I mean to say that it is the poems that you earn your tomorrow, just like if you are busy to solve the problems of the peoples or the nearest or the roundest peoples, and they are satisfied totally, so is the most important things in our life. हिंदी में कहावत है, कहते हैं, मतलब कहावत नहीं बोलेंगे, संत ज्ञानेश्वर ने हिंदी में एक लाइन है जो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण मानी जाती है इस पोएम के लिए. वो लाइन ऐसी है कि जोत से जोत जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो. कितना भावपूर्ण शब्द है. जोत से जोत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, राह में आए जो दिन दुखी उस सब को गले से लगाते चलो. मतलब ये कि इस कविता के अंदर में यहाँ एक मैसेज दिया गया है, आई मीन टू से दैट वन शुड टेक केयर ऑफ टुडे टू मेक अ बेटर टुमारो. मतलब ये कि आई मीन टू से दैट वन शुड टेक केयर ऑफ टुडे. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड डेज कम्स एंड गोज, इट डजंट मैटर दैट. It is the process of circle. Days comes and goes. Means one should take care of a day to make a better tomorrow. And this is the message of the poems that the poet try to gives to the readers. And number of poetic devices has been used in these poems by the poet. Some repetition figure of speech and synecdoche figure of speech. So these rhyming schemes are also mentioned in the poet by the poet. Just like the first stanza belongs to the BB rhyming schemes are. Second stanza CC and AA, third stanza DD and EE, and fourth stanza F and AA. So the silent future of the poem is that there is repetition. I mean to say that I have told now today, and just very simple poems. It sounds are repeated again and again. Some questions are repeated again and again, and to hammer to the mind of the reader. I mean to say that. So my personal opinion regarding the poem is that I like this poem. It doesn't matter that, because it gives us motivation to the readers. It gives us, I mean to say that, inspiration to the readers how to waste our times of each and every kind of days, and what will done in our lives, that our future will be bright. So it inspires us to every day of life is very meaningful. It means and those people are suffering from different kind of problems, then you goes there and motivate to the peoples and give some directions how we go to the direction. So all these things has been presented by the poet. In short, I'm tell the last opinion about this poem is that it is dedicative poems. It gives us a message. I mean to say that inspirational message to the students, what kind of work we have do or not, and how to achieve our goals in our lives. And another thing is that human being is a social animals, that we are belong to social animals and we are living in the society. Number of peoples are around us. So if you have ability to tell something good things to the peoples or our friends, our relatives, your village peoples, then you will ready each and every kind of regarding the problems to the peoples, tell and understand the peoples that you will do this and this. If you are going to do this is not belong to good, and that's why you will go to the roads and achieve something in your life. That's why I mean to say that have you earn means earn का मतलब क्या होता है, to get some things in your life, and our tomorrow is better than today's. So these types of message has been given by the Isgar guest. So stop.